Hello everybody, how are you? Warmly welcome back to Crochet Mart, very smart and unique ideas. Dear viewers, come closer to me. Today I brought something special for you. So just leave everything just for now and give me only 5 to 6 minutes to watch this video. I'm sure you will never lose your time to make decisions for your crocheting ideas. Dear viewers, if you still not subscribe the channel, please subscribe it now. Press bell icon. Don't forget to share and like the video so that your friends also can watch such type of unique and beautiful video. Crocheting car hangings such as decorations or air fresheners can provide a variety of benefits. Here are some advantages we would like to discuss with you. The first and the main one is personalization. Customize your car interior to reflect your style. Creativity encourages artistic expressions and creativity. Stress relief. Crocheting can be therapeutic and reduce anxiety. Unique gift. Make thoughtful handmade gift for friends and family. Skill development enhances crochet skills and techniques. Conversation starter. Unique design can spark conversations with passengers. Aromatherapy can hold essential oils for a calming scent. Affordable. Use inexpensive materials making it cost effective. Sustainable. Allows for the use of recycled or leftover yarn. Portable hobby. Easy to take on the go for crafting in the car. Decorative. Adds a personal touch and enhances the car's aesthetics. Seasonal themes can be changed according to seasons or holidays. Stress management. Engaging in hobby can help manage stress levels. Mindfulness promotes mindfulness through focused repetitive motions. Social connection. Join crochet group for communities for sport and sharing. Dear viewers, if you really love to watch this video, don't forget to share and like so that your friends also can watch such type of unique and beautiful video. One another thing, I'm always looking for some very beautiful and unique comments by your own heart and hand. Don't shy to write your comments and your descriptions about my video because I'm always happy to see your comments. Skill sharing. Opportunity to teach others how to crochet. Motivation. Completing a project can boost self-esteem and motivations. Multifunctional. Can serve as both decor and a functional item that is holding small items. Cultural expression. Reflects cultural heritage through traditional patterns. Eco-friendly. Reduce reliance on mass-produced car accessories. With the happy ending today's video, hope we'll meet you in next video with another very smart and unique idea. Keep in touch with videos. Thank you for watching.